Welcome to TinkerSpace. Today let's make Smart Postbox with IoT. Here we use eye proximity sensor as input, TinkerSpace Brain Board, and smartphone as output. It is connected to brain through internet. Connecting wire, power supply. Let's connect the components. Here we use eye proximity sensor as input. It is connected to input 1. Smartphone as output. It is connected to brain board through internet. Now we connected the components. Now let's code it.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose a Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as for the hardware connection, I will add the input device. Here I added IR proximity sensor as input 1. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only, click on Select this condition. In the input 1 sensor on, in custom message, in the string message 1, I will type post arrived. After typing, click on Save Settings. In the IoT output 1, now select custom message 1. Now click on Save Settings. Now in the Smart Postbox project, in the input 1 sensor off means the IR proximity sensor is not detecting any object, and in input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object, and the object over here is the postcard that you insert in the postbox. When a postman insert a postcard in the postbox, the IR proximity sensor will detect it and we will get a notification as post arrived via IoT. So like this, the Smart Postbox project's coding works. After generating the code, click on Save Code. Here, the generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is Tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on search my device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now let's implement it into our model. Here we have finished model of our project. Here we have fixed eye proximity sensor inside the smart box. The message will display in the smartphone. Let's do a demo. When we put post inside the post box, the eye proximity sensor detects. The smartphone displays that post has been arrived.
Hope you enjoy this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.